what's this? 2 vlogs in a row? Are we finally getting consistent again? Hopefully is my answer to that one. Hopefully we are. Okay, I have eaten. I've uploaded the vlog, is up, and today's art video, Need Arena, is up. What else have I got to do? Pretty much nothing. I've still not gotten dressed. I should do that in a minute. And then I might just piss about, maybe get Clefairy and Clefable out the way. Who's after that? Again, with not knowing the Pokédex. Ooh! Okay, after that we've got Vulpix line. They'll be more fun to do. And after that, Jigglypuff and Wigglytuff. Not my favourites. We've got a lineup of alrightish Pokemon. Someone's ringing a bell downstairs. Why do we have a bell? I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to get dressed, then do a couple post-it notes. I might update my Instagram because I've got a few Pokemon things that I haven't put up and I want to start keeping on top of that again. Yeah. And I might update my Facebook as well because I've not posted any actual pictures of my Pokemon stuff on there in ages and ages. I've been posting videos on there, but it'd be nice to actually keep Facebook updated again. I might spend some time in my sketchbook this afternoon. I don't know. It's been a while since I've actually put any effort into my sketchbook. In fact, I'm not even sure where my sketchbook is right now. Don't know where it is. It's somewhere, it's in a bag somewhere. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of art on post-it notes and things recently, so I've not actually done anything in my sketchbook since the 28th, 29th, I think. So I might spend a little bit of time in my sketchbook. I found my sketchbook. I love that sound. I love the sound of peeling stickers. Where are we going to throw it? Where are we going to throw it? Down the bottom, right in the middle, top corner, right in the middle. Right, we have January sticker up. The kittens are causing trouble, naturally. Look at the two of them. Denzel's trying to get into my pack of paper. Dave's being Dave. Kittens. Dave. Hello, gorgeous. What's that? Something just fell. These two are being gorgeous. It's just after 1, I think. I'm pretty sure it's just after 1. I ate lunch. I've done 2 pages of my sketchbook so far. And some micron pens that I ordered just arrived, so I'm probably going to play around with those later. I'm really on and off with micron pens. The last set that I bought, the first set that I bought, don't attack my hand. Don't attack my hand, little boy. Yeah, the first set of micron pens that I bought weren't waterproof. So, because I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to use them for lining watercolour pieces, I wanted to They weren't much use at all, and I tended not to use them much. Kitten. Hello, little boy. Hello, little boy. Oh, do you hear them purrs? Do you hear them purrs? So yeah, I tended not to use them because that was what I wanted them for. Goodbye, Kitten. But I want to try and use them for more like Copic pieces and other pieces, just because the two can I help you? Can I help you? The two liners that I tend to use, the Copic multi-liners and Art Fine pens, they're just, well, the Art Fine isn't waterproof and Copic multi-liners are really expensive, and microns are a lot cheaper, so I thought buy another set and try again and hope these ones are actually waterproof. Oh, you're so loud. You are so loud. So yeah, that is my plan. Whether it will come to fruition, I don't know, but hopefully they'll be waterproof. Oh, you're just full of purrs. Little boy is just wandering around, purring. He's my little boy. He's so cute. I love my little kitten. So cute, so cute. So yeah, this afternoon I want to try out those. He's just being so affectionate. He's just such a cuddle bug, aren't you? You're a little cuddle bug. Ooh, I could eat that kitten up. Oh, what's my hair doing? So yeah, I'm gonna go play with them now and return later. I sat and played around in my sketchbook. Then I sketched a handful of Pokemon post-it notes instead of doing the photo. I thought my pile was looking a bit sad and thin, so I've got a bit of a thicker pile now. I don't know how many I did in the end, 5, 6, something like that. Though I found a newfound hatred, and true hatred for Kadabra. I think I drew that little shit about 4 times before I gave up. Certain Pokemon just seem so difficult to draw, and that was one of them. So I gave up after Kadabra. I wasn't even going to attempt Alakazam. That can happen way in the distant future. That's Future Bee's problem. So I did that and cried a bit, and now I'm sat playing Pokemon. Oh, where are we going? Ooh, it's pretty light. So yeah, I'm sat playing Pokemon. I've been doing a Nuzlocke for Fire Red for a while. I've got a couple of Nuzlockes on the go. I've got 2 white Nuzlockes, a Pokemon Coliseum Nuzlocke, and this Fire Red one going at the moment. All with ideas to turn into comics that haven't got round to yet. But Fire Red is the one that I've been spending most time on recently. By recently I mean the last time I touched it was September time. Oops. It's been a while. But yeah, I'm having fun doing it. And I'm back to levelling up just before I get to Lavender. Well, I've already gotten to Lavender Town, but I've not battled Gary yet. I'm just leveling up a couple Pokemon before I go and battle Gary. So I'm likely going to do that today. I've done sketching and stuff, so I don't have to worry about any art today. So yeah, I'm just going to have a chill evening, playing Pokemon, maybe doing some sketching and designing for the comic, and I just want to level Beans up. Beans is my little Diglett, and I am going to need him soon. So Beans needs to go up about 6-7 levels, and that's what I'll be doing tonight, making Beans a good Pokemon. So I might check in every now and again with progress, but I might not. We'll see how it goes. So, you know, when I said I wasn't going to film any post-it note videos because I wanted days where I just didn't do post-it note videos, yeah, that didn't go too well. I ended up sketching a load. I think I mentioned it earlier, I sketched 9. So my pile is growing ever bigger that way. And I did 2 more. I got Clefairy and Clefable out the way. Clefable I ended up doing twice, sort of. Let me try and find the reject one. Yeah. Clefable I started, and I got through the line art, and then decided that I really didn't like the pose. I mean, it's an alright pose, it's an okay Clefable. It just wasn't amazing. And if I don't like a Pokemon, I don't want to just do okay because I want to put effort into these and make them all look as good as I can. So I just decided to scrap it and redo it. And I did redo it. And let's go to the wall, step over all the crap that I haven't cleaned up, and there they are. I'm trying to get up on my tiptoes and show you. Hopefully you can see them. But yeah, I prefer that pose a lot better. It looks way better. And I don't know what's up with the backgrounds for those. I sort of latched onto the whole moon thing and just went all out with stars and night sky, so I generally never have plans for the background. It's the one thing that I don't plan. The background just sort of happens as it goes. Yeah. And I try to keep consistent with backgrounds, like each line will have pretty much the same background. I don't think there are any that are different. The Squirtle line is different, but the rest have the same backgrounds. I think it's because Squirtle and Wartortle are swimming, but Blastoise and Mega Blastoise aren't, so yeah. That's bugging me now, but they're the only ones of the 47 that are up there that are different. There. Anyway, moving onwards. What time is it? It is, opening up the laptop, 9:30. What am I going to do? Yeah, Taz is still there. Still sat sleeping on my bed. She's been there since like, I don't know, 4 o'clock. Haven't you, Bab? Oh. am I going to do before I go to bed? I have no idea. Honestly, no idea whatsoever. Okay, this makes such a comfortable pillow. So if you're watching, Diane, thank you. Your Snorlax is now a pillow. I have no idea on what I plan to do for the rest of the evening. I'm not going to do any more post-it videos. I'm not even going to touch another post-it today. Well, at least that's the plan, because I wasn't going to touch any post-its today, and that went well. 12 post-it, like 11, 12 post-its later, I came out the other end. Ugh. I'm having a kind of bad day with my chest. Sometimes people with CF, we have bad days where it's a struggle to breathe and you're constantly breathing heavy even though you're doing nothing. And I'm not full of crap like I usually am when I'm sort of having a bad breathing day. But it's not so easy. Even talking is a bit of a struggle at the moment. And yet I'm going to ramble on. And I've rambled on for 6 minutes. Maybe that's why I'm struggling. But yeah, I noticed it while I was doing the post-it videos. Like, it was difficult to breathe when I was working. But hopefully I'll have a better day tomorrow. I'm going to stop speaking now, and I'm probably going to sign off now and head to bed whenever. If something exciting happens in the next like 2 hours before I go to bed, I'll vlog it, but if not, thank you all for watching, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye bye. So I wasn't going to vlog anymore, but something magical happened. I have 1, 2, 3 cats on my bed at the same time, and Taz isn't happy with it. Are you, bud? She's not happy at all. Where's Denzel gone? There he is. Denzel. They're all off going doing their own thing now, but for about 30 seconds the impossible happened.